Good morning and welcome to a new vlog. Today we will go again to Wallen and we will show you around. First we will have breakfast. So just a 45-minute drive from Zurich lies the beautiful Lake Walen. It's located in the canton of St. Gallen, and this lake is one of the larger lakes in Switzerland and offers a variety of beautiful spots to explore. It's especially famous for the charming wine village of Canton, which can only be reached on foot or by boat. It's also a perfect destination for a hot summer day, whether you are looking to swim or relax by the water. And in spring and fall you can go for a hike and discover the impressive waterfall. So whether you are seeking adventure or a peaceful escape, Lake Wallen has something special to offer for everyone. So we are on the hike and now we're taking a little break here, and it's so pretty. Like, look at this lake, it's so like green, no, turquoise, or how do you say? You eat apple again, and then this way we start, but it's so hot, like 30 degrees, and we are wearing like long track pants because last time we got bitten so much by mosquitoes and we don't want to get sunburned, so that's why we are looking like this. And then after the hike we will go like bathing here, and yeah, because all people are bathing already, and because it's so hot and it's so crowded there. I mean, it's still okay, but like we find like the last parking spot there. We were so lucky, and now we are going. Break time, and I'm eating apple. And now we are going into a cave, so you will barely see me. Why? Or maybe? Oh, it's okay. And now the best part is coming. How beautiful is this? And the funny thing is, in this cave, cars are even driving. It's so small, and look, they're even driving here. I think it's so funny that they always let their e-bike stand like this. You can clearly see the fishes there. A fake tree. How can this watercolor be real? I was so confused and maybe it's a chicken. Look at this chicken. I don't know, it's like And at the end, bathtub. It's looking pretty. Look how cute the fountain is. So what I can absolutely recommend to you if you visit Switzerland is to go to a Hofladen or Hofmarkt. It's from a local farmer and they always have like freshly made apple juice, jelly. It depends on the farmer, they always have different stuff. Here they even had plates. And most of the time you're alone in the shop, you just pay by cash or per trend. This is cute. Schnaps, you want schnapps? Look how cute. Like I call the shots. Oh, it's so cute. Free books. Where's their wardrobe? I didn't see this before. Look. This. Oh, it's looking so good. Oh, you know what I want? These bells. Oh, look at this big one. Treasure here. You can play a game here. Ah, you need to match the things, you know, like from the birds and stuff. Yeah. Last time we went down here, the walk.
There's nothing.
I knew it. So we will come here to the waterfall and it's completely dried out. There's no water. Last time we came like in June or May and there was so much water and this time there's nothing. So I have pear trees. So normally water is flowing down from here to down. I will show you a picture how it was like in June and now it's like this.
Testo.
Just a deo. Natural deo. You can try it. How's it smelling? It's nice. Ella, eh. Under my... Here's a fig tree. Oh, they're already so big? No. Yeah. Like, but you cannot eat them yet. Lunchtime. Oh, smelling so good. And that's it for this video. Even though the waterfall was straight out, we had an amazing time at Lake Wallen. The views were absolutely stunning and we'll definitely be back to explore even more. I hope you enjoyed watching and make sure to stay tuned for the next video and comment below your favorite part of this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye, have a nice day.